DP likes homework one. All right, for this first page, what you need to do, it used to be a crossword puzzle, but we can't really do a crossword puzzle like this. So all you need to do is look at the picture and write what it is. So for number one, that looks like a guy who is working. So I'm going to put to work, but in Spanish. Then you have to go over here for number two, and then over here for three and four. So go through those, and let's see. This guy looks like he's working to sing. That could be, for some of these, you might have to zoom in. Ah, she seems to be working in her garden. So I'm going to say that she is to work. He looks, oh, actually, he's writing. So that's going to be to write. She is, we're going to say that she's reading. He's studying. This guy's dancing. That one's playing basketball, skating, running, to swim, to ski, to use the computer or to be online, to draw. And that one is to talk on the phone. So that's all you're doing is you're looking through and writing in what those are. Easy, 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 easy. And then you get to page two. So remember, you can always zoom in and zoom out over here. I always like to do fit because then it all fits in the page. But this is part one. It says activities I like to do. In Spanish, you're going to write down two or three of the activities from our list. So to dance, to sing, to whatever in Spanish. And then you're going to do the same for the things that you don't like to do. So two to three different verbs that you don't like to do with stuff that you don't like to do. So maybe you don't like to work or you don't like to exercise or go to school or something like that. And then down here is words to say what you like to do. So that is going to be the new list, the new notes page that we just filled in. You're going to use phrases from there. Over here, phrases that you would use to say what you don't like to do. So again, from that new notes page, and then words to ask what others like to do. Again, new notes page. Down here, just read through and figure out what it is. You're going to have to look at the all over the new notes page in order to find some of these. Some of the ones in the beginning might be from the previous notes page with just the infinitives on it. So you should be able to find all of those answers. And then if you have any questions, obviously you can go through those. All right, that's it.